bulk way. First we starting off with lat pull downs. If you don't know what that is, I will show you in just a moment. As I said before, I don't really want to record too much. Most people don't know me, or will know who I is. So I don't want anybody feeling uncomfortable while being recorded, if you know what I mean. Like when we see somebody in the background, somebody feeling like they should move because they don't want to be on camera. So I will try to record as much as I can. Go and eat a little snack, pack up on the little, the little carbs, so I can get our pumps flowing. Snack of choice, this, and some tea time. Don't know if I might bust up the tea time yet. Salt mango. So I go in and get the pumps juicy. Go and save this for later and bust up that biscuit. We'll catch you guys outside. Alright guys, so the gym is getting pretty crowded. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but the gym getting real crowded right now. I'm not sure if you can hear me from the music in the background, but it have a lot of people downstairs and I don't want anybody to feel uncomfortable. So I just go in and go and finish my workout, and then at the end of the set, when I finish, I go show a little back pump or whatever. So yeah, see you guys at the end of the workout when I'm ready to show you a little pump. For a long time now, I had something to tell you guys. I know I shouldn't have waited so long to tell you, but I couldn't hold it in any longer. Who I really am. No. I go in and finish off my bicep session, and then we go and head home and see if we can make a little meal, something to fill me up for the night. Got to get the big guns, you know what I mean? So bring you a little bicep pump right now. Cutie sweat that, bro.
So you're running late.
Time to go now. Hopefully my bike's still outside and nobody take it. It's home time.
We were doing so well. Did the dog eat your homework again? I can't help myself. Cause my friend says in real life it's only the police
Right, that's always really bad.
that ever come looking for you. Are you falling in love? I have a feeling you are. Are you falling in love?
Now reach home, sweating like a dog, so I'm gonna take a little shower and then we're gonna see what we can chef up in the kitchen, try to make something good to fill up the little crevices I create in the gym now, you know? When you tear that muscle, let's be open. So you have to fill it up with something. So I'll go in and see what I could chef up in the kitchen there. Alright my fellow people, we are in the kitchen now. I'm trying to figure out what to make. As you can tell, the lighting in my kitchen is total cheeks. So here is the plan. Might boil up some pasta, drop in like about 3 eggs, you know, turn now, put some all-purpose and some little seasoning and thing, with a little ketchup and bust up that way. So let's get to it. Salt. Just saying, might not be the best looking, but it's lashing. I think I learned it. To be honest, I didn't even know I make bread. We got the eggs on the side there, 2 eggs. With the macaroni mechanism kinda thing I created. Yeah, that is it. So, alright guys. As I say, this is the final product. Go and sit down, bust this up, watch a little Sam Sulek. And yeah, that was it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the little back day / little cooking chef session and thing. That was it for this video. I hope you guys, you know, sort of enjoy this one, it entertain you, something, you know, but always glad to share these memories with all, eh? I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Skin.